Hey, I've got a quick unboxing, slash I guess a review of another product from our friends at Nitefox. This is the Nitefox UR18-26. It is it just basically looks like a standard 18650 battery. It's 2600 mAh, 3.7 volt lithium-ion. But what's interesting about this is there is a USB port in it, a micro USB port, so you can charge it that way as well. Now, comes with a little, storage box, as you can see here, which is nice, I think. It does come with a cable for charging, but it is a standard USB, micro USB cable, not a big deal. Box, or battery, it looks like a, a basic 18650 battery, except there is a little micro USB port on there. And let me grab this, and I can show you real quick. It says in the, actually, where'd it go? Red light will be on when charging and change to green when fully charged. So we plug this in like so. Oh, there it is. There's a tiny, tiny little red light up in there. As you can see that in there lit up. Yep. And that will change to green when it's charged. Now, I'm assuming you could charge this with your standard charger as well. If you didn't have a didn't have a USB cord handy or something like that. And I like the dual charging option, if that's what it is. I mean, I don't see anything that says you can't charge it that way. Micro USB chargeable with indicator, USB port, no waste money on charger, red light charging. That's it. But a lot of the flashlights I use these. I like these a lot. They offer a lot of power, a lot of runtime. But this on Amazon right now is $9.95 for this, and $2,600. I mean, $9.95 for a single battery might seem a bit much. But it all depends, I guess, on what you want or need. I like it. I personally like it myself. It seems like an interesting, unique, and useful device for sure. But that's about it. It is the Nitefox 18650 battery with direct USB rechargeable built-in charging circuit, 2600 mAh, 3.7 volt lithium-ion cell protected. Yes, it does have built-in protection circuit, positive pole, prevent damage, overcharge, over discharge, and overheat, and short circuit to battery and the product as well. So it does have quite a bit of protections built into it too. Anyway, $9.95. Yeah, I think it's worth it. I really do. Personally, supposedly 500 cycles, and it will, with a little reduction in power apparently. So you can charge it more than 500, of course, But that's about it. Neat little product, I think. Useful, very useful for someone like me. I love the 18650 batteries. I have a lot of them. I could always use another one, but this one here is the micro USB. But all right, thanks.